Are you ready to supercharge your online business with cutting-edge AI strategies in 2025? Today I'm sharing the tools, tips, and tricks that industry leaders don't want you to know. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Online Biz Breakthrough. I'm your name, and today we're exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming marketing for online businesses. Whether you're a startup or scaling your empire, these strategies will put you ahead of the competition. First up, AI-powered personalization. Tools like ChatGPT and Dynamic Yield can analyze customer behavior to deliver tailored product recommendations, personalized email campaigns, and even dynamic website experiences. Imagine your customers feeling like your brand truly gets them. That's the power of AI in action. Pro tip: use AI to identify high-value customers and create VIP experiences that keep them coming back. Next, let's talk about advertising. With AI platforms like Meta Ads Manager and Google's Performance Max, you can automate and optimize your campaigns in real time. AI analyzes data to determine the best audience, timing, and creative so you get maximum ROI. Fun fact, AI can even predict trends before they happen, giving you the ultimate first-mover advantage. Struggling with content? AI tools like Jasper and Canva Magic Write can help you create blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts in minutes. Not only does this save time, but it ensures your messaging stays consistent across all platforms. Quick hack: pair AI with your creativity to add a human touch that resonates with your audience. Finally, let's talk data. Predictive analytics tools like Salesforce, Einstein, and Tableau can forecast customer behavior and market trends. This means you can make smarter decisions and allocate your budget where it matters most. Think of it as having a crystal ball for your business. So there you have it, AI-powered marketing strategies that will dominate in 2025. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing tips.